Hey everyone, I just wanted to kind of drop a introduction video for you guys. So I just signed on to the course. You can see that if you're not familiar with Blackboard, or if you're kind of new to public health, or if you're taking this as an elective, this is a great place to start. This is the Start Here tab, and you can see as you scroll down, it just basically gets you familiar with Blackboard. Tells you what everything is, how to find course information. Probably most important is submitting and checking grades and assignments. So you can just go through. This is a great place to start. As far as announcements go, I'm going to be using this to communicate with you guys. Anything that I need to tell you guys throughout the semester, I'll drop a note here. The good thing about this is when I drop it here, I send it in a way where it goes immediately to your emails. Also, it leaves each announcement up for the whole semester. So if you ever have a question and you're like, what did she say, a month ago, you'll be able to go down and find that announcement and check it there. Instructor videos, anytime I make a video, I will drop that there for the semester. Once I'm done making this video, I'll drop that there. So that's going to be your go-to spot for finding for videos that I myself have made for you guys. So let's go down to the syllabus and get started with that. Click on the syllabus. Now this is an fully online asynchronous course, which means that it's fully online. You complete the work on your own time. However, you do have due dates and deadlines that you have to abide by. So keeping that in mind, you'll see here's my information, where I'm at, even though this semester we will be meeting virtually. Here are my virtual office hours. That is when you can count on me. Definitely those times I'll be able to meet with you. The way that will work is you will send me an email. We will set a time together, and then I will send you a Zoom link, and we'll meet via Zoom. You do have a required text for this class, and you will need that text. A lot of the information that you're going to be doing in this course is from this textbook, so I would highly encourage you to get that. Some of the stuff I'm just going to let you read over on your own, like course descriptions, course objectives. You'll see here the grade scale. Each week you do have a discussion. We'll go over those in just a little while. Assignments, projects, paper. So every week you're going to have a discussion, and then you're going to have either an assignment or something that takes a little bit more time, like a project that you need to put together, or a paper. No traditional final exams in this class. As you scroll down, I'll let you guys read all of this, but one thing I do want to note to you is that these weeks are beginning on Wednesday. So school starts tomorrow, which is Wednesday. So the weeks will be Wednesday to Tuesday. So you need to keep that in mind, especially for the discussions. You will have, the way that I have this course structured is that it will open up automatically week by week. So you will be, week one will open tomorrow or tonight at midnight for tomorrow. So it's going to open Wednesdays at midnight, and it's going to close Tuesdays at 11:59 p.m. So you need to make sure that you are signing on right away, because if you don't sign on right away, and let's say that you logged on Friday, if you had a project due that week, you would have lost 2 days that you could have been planning or prepping. And I'm not saying you need to log in and do all your work on Wednesday, but you just need to have an idea of what the expectation is for the week. So make sure that you are logging on. Make sure that you are keeping in mind the week is Wednesday to Tuesdays for this semester. When you have a discussion, the discussion is going to be due on Fridays at 11:59. So it gives you all day Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And then you'll have over the weekend and all day Monday and all day Tuesday to get your 2 responses in. So I'm going to come down here. I'm going to let you guys read over all that on your own to the calendar. So you can see the chapter that we're doing. You can see most of them are just, progressively in order, but you'll see like coming from 12 to 14, we've skipped chapter 13. So I think that's the only time that we've skipped one, but it just kind of gives you an idea. Your final paper is due Sunday, 11/22. That is in lieu of a final exam. So just keep that date in mind. Know that you're going to have that final week. So I'm going to get out of my syllabus here, and I'm going to go back to the class. So the discussions tab. So right now you can see that everything's going to be on the left-hand tab, and my screen's going to look different than yours because all of the weeks show up on mine. Yours isn't going to look like that. It's going to be week 1, and then when it's time for week 2 to open up, it will do that. And that's just keeping people from working ahead. That's all that's doing, just keeping us all working at the same time. So when I click on week 1, you'll see it even gives me a little note that, hey, you have this hidden from students until tomorrow at midnight. But what you'll do is you'll click on the week. You'll see I do post slides for all the chapters. So here you got that. And then you have your assignment. So to do what is the discussion that you have, you're going to have to do that in the discussion thread. You won't be able to get to the discussion within the weeks. You're going to have to go to the discussion thread. So, week 2, it's the same thing. I open it up. It's got your assignment. It's got your slides. But when you go to do your discussion, you're going to have to go here to the discussion board. Okay, it's going to be the same thing as the weeks. You'll see they open and then they'll close, and then this one will open and it'll close. So just kind of keep that in mind. But make sure that you're meeting your word counts. You need 300 words for your original post, 150 words for each response. We've already talked about the dates that those are due. If you submit 275 words for your original post, you haven't met the minimum requirement of the assignment and you will get points deducted. Okay, so discussion points will, collectively make up a big part of the grade. So just make sure that you're paying attention to these discussions, make sure that you're responding to one another, thinking critically, and all that good stuff. Okay, so as you look through this, I just want to drop you guys a quick video, but I want you guys to familiarize yourself with the course. At any point, if you have questions at all, just shoot me an email. I get back with you guys pretty quick with that. As far as grading, if you've ever had one of my classes before, I don't ever grade early, but once the due date is, I try to get grades out pretty quick because I want you guys to have feedback. I always want you to know what your grade is throughout the class. I don't ever want you guessing that. I remember not wanting to guess when I was in your situation, and certainly don't think that you want to guess what your grade is. So keep checking that grade book. I update it all the time. If ever you have questions, let me know. But other than that, I'm looking forward to the semester, and I hope you guys have a great first week.